Welcome back, everybody. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and today is a special day. Today we get a freight delivery, which is something I've been talking about in my videos. I keep saying super secret surprise, but y'all aren't like 6 years old, so yeah, there's a freight delivery coming in today, and I'm pretty excited about it. It has been raining for the last 24 hours. And at the same time, I have to help someone move something in their van. So hopefully all of this stuff kind of lines up with everything and everything works great. Oh, I also need to grab the parts from the powder coater whenever he's done with them. But I told him to delay because I'm not going to be able to make it to the bike show because it's raining, of course, and I don't have a sitter. But anyways, to start, I got a care package from a subscriber, Poked by Toast, and I want to play that unboxing real quick, so here we go. So it's been a little bit since I've got a subscriber package, but I got this one covered all in pink duct tape from Poked by Toast on Instagram. It says open on camera, this side up with all the cool arrows. This time I went ahead and blocked out all the addresses. Unfortunately, Riney sent me one. I accidentally left some of the stuff on there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up with the awesome SEV knife, if anyone can see that. There you go. It says Small Engine Velocity on there, or Caesar at SEV, which is the only thing I could fit on here. Oh, I'm not opening it right side up. So let's go ahead and use a knife and find some edges. Hopefully I don't cut anything. Kind of when you opened it, when you kind of poked it around, it had like a little rumbly sound. So here. Oh, wow. Sweet. Looks like an engraver. Oh, it's a rotary tool. Sweet. Awesome. Awesome. 1, 2, a drag module for a vape, which, by the way, I literally just saw a YouTube video on the quality of this, which is pretty awesome. 2 sets of, or is it a triple battery? Sets of batteries. A rotary tool end. Man, this is like a super box. Rotary tool grinder end for cutting. Looks like a 10mm socket. Who doesn't need an extra 10mm socket? And it's a 3/8, so this is perfect for a spare to have in the toolbox. So that's exactly where it's going. A light, ooh, a magnetic light. This is good. This is good. I appreciate this. There's a lot of thought in that one. Vape juice. Oh, hey, buddy. This is the exact vape juice that I already use. Huh, that's funny. I've had the strawberry. This is good. I've also had the cooling one with the menthol stuff in it, and then my pink lemonade, which is one of my favorites that I have. I've also tried the peach of this flavor. He moved to a Salted Nick, so he doesn't need this equipment anymore, but for sure, all my junk will work with this. Sweet. A white spring for the clutch. I don't know what the clutch spring on the white one is, but I'm gonna look it up and check it out. If anybody knows what it's for, please leave a comment below. Another battery. He is also a tattoo artist in Fort Worth, Texas. I didn't know you were in Fort Worth, Texas. Okay, well, here you go. And then, oh man, look. Rucket. Oh, can you see it? Golly. Rucket. Dude, these things are huge. This is totally gonna go on my car right away. And he gave me 3 of them, so it's gonna go on there. As well as a Fort Worth tattoo shop, which this will also go on my car. Just for you. Dude, that's a lot of stuff. That's the most I've ever gotten in a single box before. Keep in mind, remember last time I got Hamburger Bell, I got a Allen wrench impact set, I got a scooter book, which by the way is super handy. I got a boom microphone, was one of the first things I ever got, and then a whole bunch of other miscellaneous stuff. So anyways, let's get back to the regular video. Yeah, that was the biggest care package that I have ever gotten. There's so much stuff in there that I could use. Like literally everything in there that I could use. I don't know about the white spring because I'm not 100% sure as to what the white spring on the white contra spring can do, but it's there. So anyways, let's go ahead and hurry up and wait for that delivery truck to get here. So we're running into a problem. I helped, well actually it's not a problem. I helped someone put a dresser in there and remove some seats in the car. But anyways, that's different. It is raining and I have nothing in my garage to cover the box up when it gets in my driveway. So I'm headed to the hardware store to pick up a few put like some kind of cheap plastic cover to cover the bike whenever it's in there. Fortunately, the hardware store is Ace Hardware, and it is True Value Hardware, and it is across the street from my house. So I'll see you there in a second. Okay, so I don't have the cover to cover the box when it comes in, so we went to True Value Hardware to go ahead and find a tarp cover. He said, go down this aisle, and I should find it. Whoa, what size do I need? It doesn't need to be super thick. 3 foot by 60 foot, 10 foot. Needs to be, here, 10 by 12. That looks big enough. Let's get it's $17. Here, 3 mil, 10 foot by 12. $11.99.
$12.98 for it.
Awesome. Okay, and then I was also informed that it's supposed to be a really super rainy day, and I'm sweating to death. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get this tarp ready, and I will, hopefully the truck comes when it's not raining as much. Burp. So let's get to that point. I'll see you in a second. Well, all this rain really messes up a lot of my plans. So at least I'll be able to get it and cover it. Hopefully I'll be able to get to the portion for unboxing and showing you guys what I got. Otherwise, you may just see a video saying, hey, I got it, and then the next video will be an unboxing. Because if it's not stopped raining by Saturday afternoon, it'll be too, oh, it's here. Go. It made it here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this off the truck. Anyways, here we go. Okay, so I'm underneath a umbrella, and here is the delivery. If you can see it behind me, I covered it with the tarp. There you go. Now, all we have to do is get the weather to agree with us, and then we can continue with today's video. Otherwise, the only thing you'll get today is a, hey, I got it, and let's see what it can do, which is more than likely. So I'll let you know by the end of the day. Thank you, and you'll know right now. And the answer is, it stopped too late in the evening. I know it looks like it's bright outside, but the ground isn't dry, and it's late in the afternoon, and the kids got home already. So I won't be able to unbox today, but I promise you, tomorrow's video will have the actual unboxing and what it is. Now, sorry, my allergies are killing me. As a consolation prize, whoever guesses closest to whatever it is I get by the next time I release the video where I actually did it, where I actually unbox it, I'll go ahead and mail you a free small engine velocity orange key tag. So anyways, thank you for your guys' patience. I hope you guys at least it was enjoyable or entertaining, the process of getting this box over here and safe from the rain. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave a comment below what you think it might be, and I will see you in the next video.